So for all the secret agents out there, you can get your hands on a flexible neck magnifier, which is a gooseneck attached to magnifying glass and a clamp that goes on your desk. This featureless is kind of lame. With clip, 3.5-inch diameter lens with ZX power, because obviously that's something. It's easy to use. You can watch objects at any angle, and it's also made in China. Wow. Let's check it out. Okay, might be hard to see, but yeah, here's the clamp. It's some sort of, I don't know what it is. It's got a weird paint coating on it, but it feels solid. It's probably some sort of metal. It's just kind of rough looking. Attached to a gooseneck, which is one of these adjustable things where you're just going to pick a spot in the curve and then just curve whichever way you want. Yeah. And you just kind of place it where you want to place it, and you can use it for magnifying things. Now this one that I ordered claims to be a 5x zoom, but to be honest, I'm not entirely convinced. Yeah, not really sure if it is or not, but you know, it's definitely a zoom. And I'm right by this window here, which I do worry that I gotta maybe not place this in direct sunlight, because I might actually start fires, because I get a really bright sun. You probably noticed how bright and shiny this is, so I'm gonna have to find a way to mount this, or at least avoid too much. Either way. Yeah, it's a gooseneck. It's a little loose sometimes when you put it where you need to put it, but for the most part it works. I've not worked with too many goosenecks, but it's relatively stable otherwise. Yeah. It's a magnifying glass. You know, when you're working on like small electronics, it's something to see. The glasses are decent size. I do wish it was larger. Yeah, not bad. Better than nothing. Let's put it that way. Like I've got a. Let's take a look. Let's see which drawer is it. There we go. I've got this clamp thing with this little tiny magnifying glass. So we got little guy versus, yeah, no contest here. It's better than this, just by sheer size alone. Yeah. So there you go. Just a quick look at this gooseneck magnifying glass. Still don't know how much of a difference this makes. I move it in and out, the zoom doesn't change. I really don't know anything about optics. It's bigger. It looks more like a 2x, even though the box says it's a 5x. Yeah. Oh well.